Hi, my name is Manuel Emiliano and I'm working with my partner Navarro Perez. In this video, we want to share a bit about our artificial intelligence class, what we learned during this semester, and the interesting topics. So let's start. We start with the data analysis, learning how to look data, how to clean it, and get it ready to use. This was super important because in many projects of EAI, we need to have a good data analysis. Then we move to something called EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. EDA helps us to discover patterns and how to use trends and initial values in the data. We use different kinds of charts and statistics to better understand of this database. Later, we learn how to work with data frames, mainly using Python and some libraries like Python. Data frames made it easier to organize and work with a structure in data and more efficient way.
Once we got a good understanding on how to manipulate data, we start training some basic models. One of the first models we worked on was the linear regression model, which is used to predict values based on a line of best fits. Using this model, we work on a practice to predict the price of houses. For this practice, we use a data frame with information of a lot of houses with different price, with different characteristics like rooms, surface, age of houses, etc. Training this model, we need to be able to predict the error so we can know the precision of our model. Later, we explore more machine learning concepts such as neuronal networks. We took a look at how algorithms can learn from data and improve over time. It was really cool to see how models can make predictions after being trained. Also, we investigated an architecture called convolutional neural networks, or CNA, which is used or is designed for the processing of visual data, images, and videos, which are useful for the recognizing and detection of patterns and objects. And this was just a piece of all the interesting topics we studied during the semester. We hope to keep learning and working on more advanced projects in the future as developers and data analysts.